everyone. Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Thank you all so very much for supporting my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please consider giving up a thumbs up. In this video, I'd like to discuss how to freeze multiple rows in Excel. For example, if I'd like to freeze the first two rows here, what I'll need to do is click on cell A3 and then go to View tab and then click on Freeze Panes. Now, after clicking on Freeze Panes, what Excel will do is it will freeze any rows above the cell that we clicked and any columns to the left side of the cell will be frozen as well. In order to check if the rows have been frozen, what we'll need to do is scroll down and you'll notice that the first two rows are now frozen. Since we don't have any columns to the left side of the cell that we clicked, we don't have any columns frozen. In order to unfreeze the frozen rows, we'll just need to click on Unfreeze Panes. And now if we scroll down, you'll notice that the frozen rows are not frozen anymore. So for example, if we would like to freeze the first two rows and then the first column, which is column A, what we'll need to do is click on cell B3 here and then click on Freeze Panes. Now let's go ahead and check if the first two rows are frozen. Yes, the first two rows are frozen. And let's go ahead and check if the first column is frozen as well. You'll notice that the first column is frozen as well. And I'll go ahead and unfreeze panes over here. And if you like to freeze only the first row here, there is another option here of clicking on Freeze Top Row. Now, if we scroll down, you'll notice that the first row is frozen. And in order to unfreeze, you'll just need to click on Unfreeze Panes. And this is how you can freeze and unfreeze rows in Excel. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thank you all. Bye-bye.